let's do a quick teardown of this here control panel. It's a frequency programmer. It's just the control panel on it. We're going to tear it down real quick. We see what we can get. We got 6.0 ounces. Let's see what's interesting in it. So, yeah, let's get it done. We will see what's in this little tiny thing. We got a little bit of wire, we see. 4 little screws. Really not much of anything. There it is. Nothing. Nothing exciting whatsoever. Some buttons, a couple pieces of brass, some insulated copper wire, and some metal shred. That's all we got. So thanks for watching. See ya.